Well, we have done it again. Came up on another Land Cruiser fj62, and she's got some rust on her, but this one has half the miles the other one did. Quarter panels are all rusted out, fenders. The frame, however, is somewhat solid-ish. I mean, if you want to call that solid. Now this thing was imported from Canada, so it reads kilometers. So it has dog barking. 256,000 kilometers on it, but that translates to like 150,000 miles. Whoever owned it before, they kept a record of everything they did to it. They got a lot of salt and snow up north, so I mean, that just broke right off. This just came right off, dude. Put that in the back. Oh, is that the original radio? Yeah. Cool. Not gonna do anything with it anyways. Oh, there's a battery. Look, there's a battery here. Sick. I wonder if it's charged. Did you say it needs new cylinders?
Yeah, they fall down.
Yeah, the old one did too. Tailgate's rusted out.
What did you fail?
Dude, there's like original Toyota parts in here.
Well, there's a...
Look, there's a flasher.
Automotive cap.
What is that?
Radiator cap.
That's the old one. They must have replaced it.
It's got Japanese.
What is this? A gas cap? No, I don't know what that is. What the heck is that? Can't figure out what that is. We think this thing's probably been sitting for a little while, so we're gonna try to start it up for you guys here. Hey, can you pop the hood?
We got a few keys.
Yeah, we got a couple keys. These are all the same keys, by the way, here. It ain't got no battery, so let's see what she looks like. Okay, a little crusty, but 160,000 miles, should fire right up. Let's get a battery on here. I wish I brought starting fluid, but I did not bring starting fluid. See if the glove compartment has anything. Oh, dude, the original manual. Isn't that cool? Dude, that's so cool. It's the original manual and it's in good shape. I don't even need to touch that because I'm gonna ruin it.
Did you look at the book?
I looked through it a little bit.
It's got like prices of what he paid for stuff.
It's a shame. This thing, if it hadn't have been all rusted out.
$15.
For what? I can't read cursive.
Me neither.
Let's try this battery back here first before we I brought another battery. We're gonna see if this one's charged up. Okay. These are not tight at all. I hope this battery's got enough juice to fire it up, but I doubt it. Just see if the cluster will even turn on. What about it? Nothing?
Nope.
I'll have to go get the other battery. Is it on the right side though? Yeah, it is. These terminals are gonna reach or not. There you go. You ready?
Yeah, go.
Click. Hey, but it click. The battery connections aren't on there good. We're hoping this emergency brake works a little bit.
There you go.
Got some racket coming from up here. A little racket coming from these pulleys up here, but other than that, sounds like it has an exhaust leak over here. Sounds pretty good though. See if we're getting oil pressure. Oil pressure is pretty good. It's charging. We got some kind of, oh, that's the brake. Yeah, we got a brake light on. Let's rev her up. Hey. No, I can't do it in this neighborhood. Or I would.
How much gas you got?
I'm gonna move it forward a little bit and see if that emergency brake will stop us. Like, when he's coming to stop it, he thinks the brakes don't work.
I can get in front of it and probably stop it. If you don't floor it. Homemade shop.
Yeah.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
I ain't got no brakes.
You tried emergency?
Look at me, I tried the emergency. Dude, look, come here, I pulled the emergency brake all the way up. I ain't got no brakes. She just took off. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Did you just kill it so it stopped moving?
If I kill it, it stops.
Yeah. It comes with a kill switch.
Yep.
I was like, please don't
I
run.
didn't think he was gonna. I didn't think he was gonna floor it.
I didn't
No, it goes.
That's why I was like, I thought you were barely gonna inch up, but it was like, oh, I'm like, he's going.
It goes. It does not. No.
It did not
Now
stop.
you see why we drove it home in the dark at midnight.
Alright, it runs, doesn't have brakes. So now we gotta... Alright, we can air the tires down, that'll help. If we air the tires down a lot, it won't roll.
You just gave her a little and she's like, let's go.
And it
My
took a lot.
Yep.
So we got downhill right here. We're already kind of lined up a little bit. She ain't got no brakes.
Maybe drive it all the way down the road and put the trailer like down there.
Yeah, right in front of the expensive truck.
Yeah.
And
If
if I can...
the ramp, he'll naturally stop it, you know.
Right. But then when we get on the trailer, what's gonna stop it? Yeah.
I forgot about rolling back off.
Yeah.
Do you think you like hold throttle on it?
I don't know, dude. When I barely gave it gas and it took off. So there's not much throttle control. We're gonna air these tires down to where they're almost flat because that'll help out with the rolling tremendously. We're gonna see what she does once we do that. I hope those cables are on there good.
I might need to beat that positive
Yeah.
on a little farther.
Yeah, it probably will.
The battery's not good sitting like that.
I just feel like the battery's not doing so well. Once we air these tires down, I think we're gonna try to back it up down the hill, kind of cut it straight, hopefully without hitting the $60,000 truck, and then we're gonna put the trailer up here, hopefully drive it up on the trailer. I think if the tires are flat, I don't think we'll have an issue.
Have to come off the ball.
My gosh, somebody.
Oh, load.
Yeah, I mean,
Actually lost a load.
yeah, they lost a load. Say we park it right in front of the fiber optic cable, huh?
Dang, Braden, where are we gonna load this thing?
Right smack down the middle of the road, bub.
My favorite spot. That works.
Is that good?
Yep.
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle, where we like it.
Stop everybody's life.
Yep. They can wait. Yep.
Cover up on it. Cut it off maybe here. I don't know, dude. I think it'll work.
What's the emergency plan?
There are no emergency plans. You think these two cars are turning? Look, they just waving.
They ain't coming down here today.
This town is so nice.
Mess it up a little bit.
That's just goodness. It's got an exhaust leak.
Give her a little throttle.
I think this will work. It's not. I think the tire down thing helps. See?
But you're in grass too.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. When I get on the road, it's gonna be a different story.
Alright, let's back it down this hill. Worst you can do is go back up the hill. Are you doing that on purpose?
I ain't doing that.
Oh.
Just cutting out. Now the battery's disconnected. Perfect. Watch out. I think they'll hold it. What about that other one?
The other one.
I think it's good.
It's tight.
Alright.
I'd idle it all the way down there. Right smack dab in the middle of the road, another Yui.
I need to back up.
Easy, straighten it up. Oh, shut it off. Heck yeah.
I'm impressed. I'm not gonna lie.
That could have gone worse in many ways.
It really could. For all you guys, I drove that thing right up into the bed of that truck.
Alright, time to go to the notary. That actually went pretty well. Got it right up on the trailer. No problems at all. We're gonna go to the notary, get the title signed over, and we got a 5-6 hour drive back home. Rocker panels are rusted out, but that's kind of my style anyways. The frame is pretty chunky and chippy, but
So I sent her a message. She came out Messenger for 30 minutes.
Nice.
did you hear me cram it in park?
Yeah.
Let's see if the lights work. Can you go in there and turn them on? Okay, turn your brats on. Okay. One of them's dead. Probably could be this. Not sure. I'd say the reason we have no brakes is because all of the lines are rusted out, which is pretty cool. It's a little more rusted than I expected. Brakes are shot. Brakes are not good. Don't have brakes. Just part of it, man. Part of it. You buy junk, you won't fix junk.
And landed right next to Lincoln's head, the arch chair, man.
50 pounds of metal just fell off of this vehicle when I did that. Weight reduction. If you're interested in this new Land Cruiser series, subscribe. We got brakes coming from part 2. And we're doing a full engine tune-up for part 3, so hit the notification button. Alright, so I wasn't going to include this, but I'm deep into filming part 3 right now. And let's just say we don't have a catastrophic failure, but we do have a pretty big problem that we're going to have to address in part 3. Be sure to stay tuned. We're going to do whatever it takes to get this thing back as a daily driver again. I dropped so much stuff.